हेलो स्टूडेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द क्लास ऑफ वैदिक लेवल 1। आप देखिए ये बुक वैदिक लेवल 1। आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस बुक। आई विल टीच टुडे subtraction. My topic is subtraction. To learn subtraction from Vedic math, first we have to learn what is base. Base is first technical word of Vedic. वैदिक मैथ्स में सबसे पहला टेक्निकल टर्म होता है हमारा बेस। बेस मीन्स वन followed by 0. 1 followed by 0. If we put zeros, number of zeros we can put. Number of zeros like 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Okay. We can put number of zeros after 1. It is called our base in Vedic maths. It is very important to learn what is base. After base we learn working base. After base we learn working base. What is working base? Suppose I ask what is the working base of, what is the W dot B working base of 79? 79 का working base. तो number of digit should be equal to number of 0. There are 2 digits 79. तो I put 2 0 after 1. It is working base. Means 100 is the working base of 79. What is base? Base means 1 followed by zeros. It is called base. Working base. What is the working base of 79? Number of digit. There are 2 digits. So we put 2 digit after 1. Now 100 is the working base of 79. What is the working base of 273? How many digits are there? 3 digits. So I put 30 after 1. It becomes 1000. Now 1000 is the working base of 273. Now you will think why we are learning base and working base? To find the complement. To get the concept of subtraction, it is very important to understand these basic concepts of Vedic maths. Now what do you mean by complement? Complement up. Complement. Complement means, suppose I ask what is the complement of 4, means what I add in 4 to get 10. Why 10? Because 10 is the working base of 4. What is the complement of 4? 4 means what I add in 4. 4 में मुझे क्या ऐड करना है to get 10. Why 10? Because 10 is the working base of 4. तो 4 में मुझे क्या ऐड करना है 6. तो 4 and 6 are the complement of each other because they make 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. तो if ma'am will ask what is the complement of single digit, तो single digit के लिए what is the working base 10. तो you have to add that number which makes it 10. It is clear. Next, what is the complement of 24? 24 means what I add in 24. What is the complement of 24 means? What I add in 24 to get 100. Why 100 ma'am? Because there are 2 digits and the working base of 24 will be 100. तो आपकी बुक में when you open the book there is the page number. I tell you the page number 4. When you open the page number 4 you will see the question and you have to write the working base. Working base means 24 का working base हो गया 100. I told you what is the meaning of working base. Number of digit should be equal to number of 0. Now I will teach you the first formula of Vedic math, that is all from 9 and last from 10. Last from 10. This is our first formula of Vedic math. All from 9 and last from 10. Listen my question again. What is the complement of 24? Means what I add in 24 to get 100. So what I will do? I can subtract 24 from 100. You will do this method. Now I tell you how you can write directly what will be the complement of 24. Learn from this formula. All from 9 means जो number है सभी number all from 9 and last from 10 we put a circle on the last digit. Last digit means unit digit. वैदिक मैथ में वी मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, तो लास्ट डिजिट होती है यूनिट डिजिट। ओके बच्चे, अब देखो ऑल फ्रॉम 9 एंड लास्ट फ्रॉम 10, तो व्हाट आई ऐड इन 2 टू गेट 9, 7, and what I add in 4 to get 10, 6. Means directly we can calculate 76 is the complement of 24, or vice versa. Vice versa means ulta, 24 is the complement of 76. If you add 76 in 24 or you add 24 in 76, you will get 100. It means 24 is the complement of 76 and 76 is the complement of 24. I think it is very clear. Again I am going to revise. Base 1 followed by number of zeros. Working base, number of digits should be equal to number of zeros. Complement, what I add in the given number to get its nearest base. There are 2-3 different questions of this topic. I will explain in second video. Complement means directly. Here we are talking about direct. 4 का complement क्या होगा? 6, because we will take the complement from nearest base, that is 10. 24 का complement 76. Now you can write the complement of any number 39. Now no need to do like this. Directly we can write 3 का complement 6, 9 का 1. Complement, दोनों complement हो गए. नेक्स्ट 43 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट, 4 का 5, 3 का 7. दीज आर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर बुक फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 4, यू विल सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 874. द वर्किंग बेस इज 1000 एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी 8 का 1, 7 का 2 एंड 4 का 6. इज इट क्लियर? Yes, I am showing your book. This is Vedic level 1, which I will explain according to the page number. Now I am on page number 4, then page number 5, which is also the same. You have to write working base. Working base means number of digits should be equal to number of 0. Then you have to write the complement through all from 9 and last from 10. It is clear? Page number 5. Next, page number 6. Now you are seeing the question concept will be same, the pattern is different only. 100 minus 89. 100 minus 89 means there are 2 0 and 2 digit, means directly we can apply all from 9 and last from 10. 8 ka 1, 9 ka 1 means 11 is the complement of 89. Now be careful. In this there is a condition to apply the formula all from 9 and last from 10. इस फॉर्मूले को हम कहीं भी अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. Where we will apply? When the digits are equal to number of zeros. If the digits are equal to number of zeros, we can put. But suppose my question is, listen carefully, look carefully. 100,000 minus 23. Suppose my question is 1000 minus 23. तो क्या आंसर हमारा 7 होने वाला है? नो, इट विल बी रॉन्ग. इट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ फॉर्मूला ऑल फ्रॉम 9 एंड लेस फ्रॉम 10 मीन्स नंबर ऑफ डिजिट शुड बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ जीरोज. व्हाट विल वी विल डू? वी विल पुट 0 बिफोर 23. 23 से पहले आप एक 0 लगा दीजिए. नाउ देयर आर 3 डिजिट इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ जीरोज. नाउ यू कैन अप्लाई all from 9 and last from 10. 0 का 9, 2 का 7, 3 का 7 means 977 is the complement of 23. Again I am saying no need to use this method. Now you can directly write the complement of any number or you can subtract any number from base. Base means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. आपको 10 लाख, सपोज आई हैव रिटर्न 10 लाख, 10 लाख में से आपको 48 माइनस करना है. तो यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट पुट zeros before 49. Number of zeros should be equal to number of digit. After that you can apply all from 9 and last from 10. This is the concept. This is the video. in which I taught you about base, working base, and now you have to write the working base and the complement. It is very clear to all of you. It should be very clear. Next, the topic is how we will subtract 2 digit minus 2 digit, 3 digit minus 3 digit, 4 digit minus 4 digit. I will explain it in my next video. So do practice page number 4, 5, before page number 4, 5, this book. Okay, level 1, I completed the page number 1. There is the concept which I explained, revise it. Then page number 2, page number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the video of page number 1 to 7. You have to complete it. Okay, goodbye all of you.